Hello and welcome to Autocad tutorials. With this tutorial, we are going to see some most commonly used keyboard shortcuts in Autocad LT, one by one. I hope it will be useful information for you. It will be a 3-part tutorial, and this is the first one. Okay, let's get started. First of all, as an Autocad user, you need to understand and practice in your work this one rule, which can be summarized as, you should use the keyboard and the mouse together in harmony in order to work faster and more efficiently in Autocad. Using the keyboard shortcuts is a necessary part of it. Now let's examine one by one these shortcuts. The first one is Ctrl+0. With Ctrl+0, you can turn clean screen feature on or off. It clears the screen of toolbars and dockable windows. We still have the command window and menu buttons at the top. If you use the ribbon panels, it clears of it as well. You can use this feature when you need to have a larger drawing area for a better viewing. Keep in mind, entering clean screen on and clean screen off commands is also possible. Ctrl+1, Properties. With Ctrl+1, you can open or close the Properties window. When you select an object, you can see and edit its properties here in the Properties window. When no object selected, Properties shows some general parameters. And one more thing, Properties window is docked at the right side of the screen now, but it is something you can move to anywhere as you wish by clicking and dragging. Ctrl+2, Design Center. You can open or close Design Center window with Ctrl+2. Design Center is a powerful tool in Autocad, and I strongly suggest you to use it in your work. What it contains is not the subject of this tutorial. But let me just say this for now, with Design Center, you can transfer these types of elements shown in this area from any other DWG file that you specify, or from AutoCAD system files. Simply right-click the element and click to add it to the active file. Note that you can also use Add Center command for Design Center. It is a floating window again, like Properties. You can move and dock it if you want. Ctrl+3, Tool Palettes. With Ctrl+3, we can open or close the Tool Palettes window. Tool Palettes is another powerful feature in Autocad. It works like a library that may contain various tools which may be an object, a block, an image, a hatch pattern, etc. You can simply click to any tool to use it in the drawing. Note that you both have imperial and metric samples. This is a dynamic block of a window in elevation, for example. You can add your own tools and tool palettes. It is really very handy. And, again, this is a dockable window. For a more practical use, you can dock it to the sides. Right-click here, and you have various options. You can anchor it and benefit the auto hide feature. Let's finish it with one more tip. Double-clicking to the name bar automatically docks and undocks the window. Ctrl+4, Sheet Set Manager. Ctrl+4 opens or closes Sheet Set Manager window. A sheet set is an organized collection of sheets from several drawing files. A sheet is a selected layout from a drawing file. You can import any layout from any drawing into a sheet set as a numbered sheet. You can manage, transmit, publish, and archive sheet sets as a unit. Using the controls in the Sheet Set Manager, you can create, organize, and manage sheets in a sheet set. Ctrl+7, MARKUP Set Manager. You can open or close MARKUP Set Manager with Ctrl+7. Let me shortly explain markups. Technically, a markup in AutoCAD is a single comment or a red line geometry correction inserted into a DWF or DWFX file. When you want to submit designs for review, you can publish a DWF or DWFX file and then send it to your client or anyone you want to review your designs. The reviewer can open that file in Autodesk Design Review, mark up the file electronically, and then send it back to you. Then, you open the marked up file and manage the markups here under MARKUP Set Manager window. Ctrl+8, Quick Calculator. Ctrl+8 key combination simply opens and closes the Quick Calculator window. The calculator performs a full range of mathematical, scientific, and geometric calculations. Also converts units of measurement and creates and uses variables. Another nice tool in AutoCAD. Ctrl+9, Command Line. Command line window can be closed or opened by Ctrl+9 key combination. It is not an essential feature in AutoCAD actually. You may need to close command line, maybe when you are using dynamic input feature and/or when you need extra drawing area space in the screen. You can use the drawing area with a maximized space by using both clean screen and command line features. Turn on the clean screen with Ctrl+0 and hide the command line with Ctrl+9. And that completes this video. Remember, this was the first part of a tutorial series. I suggest you to also watch the remaining 2 parts about keyboard shortcuts. Anyway, thank you for watching. You can leave any comments or questions. If you liked this video and want more videos like this, you can subscribe to my channel. I will keep posting CAD BIM tutorials. Bye for now.